game though, so you should be fine.
Yeah, soon.
Come in. There. I'm gonna do a 2-in-1 cat wash, starting with you.
Okay, I'm in.
Are you allergic to cats or dogs by any chance?
No! Maybe it's the loading screen. Loading screen is the wrong.
You're allergic to patience here. Oh, it wants to go on a walk. Why don't you put it out for a walk?
Okay, let's go for a walk, Snowflake.
You know, it's probably unhappy because it's lacking in food.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe
yes, you have forgotten to maybe put food and water out for the...